Dear Indian education system, Mama, Papa, and the society, my result got out today, and surprisingly, I am failed again. Hence, I have decided to take a huge decision. But before that, you guys need to know lot of things about me. I used to score amazing till my 10th, isn't it? When I scored well, leave alone my parents, all my friends, neighbors, shopkeepers, even the watchmen of my buildings started to say, you got tech science, you will be an engineer. No, don't get me wrong. I do not dislike science. Science is beautiful. Science is the ultimate truth. But when I came in my intermediate, the half-interested teacher in my college and coaching institute did not teach science at all. All they taught was how to solve maximum number of MCQs in the given time, like a robot. That killed the beauty of science. And that physics topper of my class, he didn't even believe that evolution actually happens. He just wanted to solve maximum number of MCQs in the given time. And why not so? This is the things we are learning there. So much obsession with the science, huh? Yet India has not won a single Nobel Prize in science since independence. Okay, you will say Nobel Prize are just awards. Then listen, India produces maximum number of engineers per year. Yet India ranks 60th in the Global Innovation Index. That means no major innovations has happened since the independence. All we keep saying is Aryabhat invented zero. To be honest, after 10th, I want to study cyber security, history, music, English literature, warfares, Vedas, and different kinds of languages. Why could not the evolution of my intelligence and caliber be on the basis of these subjects? Why should have I wasted my time studying subjects which I did not want to study? Hence, I left the damn coaching institute, used to get out of my home during coaching hours, and used to read novels in the park, meet some amazing peoples, and so on. To be honest, I felt free. It felt good not to be a zombie. I learned information technology on my own. I listened to some beautiful music by Mozart and Rahman. I read warfares. I taught myself soft skills. And I read some amazing write-ups on the various topics of polity. I am taking a huge step. Mama, Papa, and the society. I am dropping out. Not because Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg are dropout. Not because being dropout tag is very cool. And neither it is because of frustration of falling. Dear Indian education system, I am dropping out simply because you do not make any sense. And now you will ask me, who will give me job, who will feed me? So, I believe somewhere somebody is there who will see my skill, will value my creativity, who will value my intelligence over my CGPA. Yes, I failed, but I know there is lot to do, observe and learn. It is only my mark sheet says that I can't do anything, but I know I will do something good.